Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another recipe which is Nepali style masala tea. So for this recipe, first of all I have 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water, and I have 1 tablespoon of tea powder. And for the masala I have 1 bay leaf and a small size cinnamon sticks, 4 cloves, 4 cardamom and half teaspoon of black pepper, and I have some ginger slices. Next I have sugar. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon, but it's completely as per your taste. So my first step is I'm gonna crush all these whole spices except this bay leaf. Next I'll crush this ginger too. The next step is here in a saucepan, add this a cup of water, add this masala and add this ginger too, and then bring it to boil. So it has started boiling. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this tea powder, then add milk and add sugar, and then bring it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. So now our masala tea is ready. So I'm gonna filter this in a cup and it's ready to be served. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please give me a feedback and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.